Hi everyone, Lori Marie here, mixed media artist in Vallejo, California. It is in the afternoon. I've had a very busy day. It's been delightful. I got to have coffee and a chat with one of the villagers today. She lives in Kansas City, Sue, thank you. And she was visiting family here in Vallejo, California. She gave me this amazing scarf, which I love. Thank you so much. What a gift to be able to visit with you today. I do have a shout out to some thank yous and some updates today. So Allison and Iris, thank you so much for your contribution to the village. You know it goes to, I use it well. Thank you so much. Rachel, you will see your kit in the mail. You are our project for today. You're the challenge. Your traveling collage kit. I'm going to start it on screen today, so that's fun. Speaking of screens, I sent a piece of a screen to, and I don't know how to say your name, it's YGRAINE. I apologize for not knowing how to say that. I kind of think maybe the Y and the G are silent, but I don't know. And Susan, I sent a template off to you. So all these things hit the mail today. Oh, except Rachel, because your kit is on my table and we are making it today. So, very fun-filled day. Not over yet. And see you on the table. All right, this is our project for challenge number 27. I'm putting together Rachel's traveling collage kit out of a brown paper bag. I haven't put the goodies in it yet, but they go in here. It's an envelope for focal points, there's an envelope for underpants, and there's an envelope for ephemera. And I will fill these up with goodies and pop them in the mail to Rachel. Okie doke, let's talk about the supplies that you're going to need for today's challenge. I've got some rubber stamps. These are my clip together alphabet stamps that I'm going to use, which are awesome. My Stays On ink, scissors, a piece of Velcro, front and back, sticky Velcro, and a Trader Joe's bag, and your sewing machine. Alright, so I'm going to open up the Trader Joe's bag. I'm going to take the handles off, take the bottom off, and cut it open at the seam. Alright, I'm bringing my ruler out so that I can tell you guys how big these hunks are. Okay, I cut the paper bag into 3 pieces. Alright, and I'm just going to use one piece right now. And we're going to be creating the larger envelope. So I want this piece to be about 7 inches. Alright, so I'm just going to go ahead and cut that at about the 7-inch. About the 7-inch. Perfect. So this is about 7 inches, and this is about 5 inches. All right. So this I'm going to fold in half. The size of these does not really matter. Whatever size you want to make. Okay, that's good. I have 2 of these. I actually need 3 of these. One for the background pieces, one for the focal points, and one for bits and pieces of ephemera. So I will bring this bag back in, another piece of the bag. And approximately the same size, I am going to just cut that out roughly. Perfect. So now I have 3 of these pieces and 1 of this. So I want the writing on the inside of the envelope. I don't want that on the outside of the envelope. Now I'm going to fold this and just have a flap on the top. So this area is a couple inches. Yeah. So a couple inch flap. All right. And that's going to come down like that and create our envelope. Cut those at an angle. That is out of here. These 3 pieces, I'm just going to fold them in half and I'm going to sew them. Putting the printed side in. 1, 2, and 3. Now I'm going to take these to my sewing machine and I am going to just sew along this side, up this and over on this flap, and down that side to this. And for these, I'm going to just sew this way, although it doesn't need it. I just don't want to pick up my needle and start new each time. So I'm just going to down the side, down the bottom, and down the side on all 3 pieces. Down, down, down. Okay? Okay, I have my 3 smaller pockets, and I have my large. This is the envelope that these are going to go into. I'm going to grab my piece of Velcro, sticky back Velcro. Very sticky back Velcro. That's good, because then it'll stay in place. And I'll take that Velcro and I will put it somewhere in the center, which would be nice, inside the sewing line. And I'll put the Velcro piece there. Take the other side of the sticky off. And close that envelope. Ta-da! Ta-da! All right, now I'm going to bring my rubber stamps in, and I'm just going to stamp on here, and on here, and on these 3 packets. All right, I have them stamped. They're starting to be fun. Now I'm going to bring in my alphabet stamps and I'm going to label these as to what they are. So one is going to be focal points, one is going to be ephemera pieces, and one is going to be bits of fun background paper. And then they will all go in here in the collage kit packet. These are pretty darn fun. They clip together so that they make a straight line, which you know I can't do. So I'm just going to form some words. Alright, so here's our traveling kit. This is going to Rachel. Yay, Rachel! With our Velcro tab there. And I will be putting the goodies in here. The ephemera will be bits and pieces of important stuff, like maybe a ticket. There's going to be some sewing patterns that have rubber stamps on them, just some fun things that I can find. The underpants for this particular one will be some colorful background, probably Citrusol papers, maybe some pieces of deli sheets, something like that that she can put in the background. And focal points, you know what those are. So this is Rachel's traveling kit in the making. There will be a glue stick in here for her. All the goodies. She can just put these all in here and here, and she can go traveling. So that's it. Go create, go play, go have fun. Challenge number 27. In the bag.